How to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Unfortunately, there is no such current option by which you can directly transfer between the GCash and PayPal. However, we can transfer the money by using the indirect method. For this, the first step is opening and logging into your GCash app or website. Then you need to transfer or withdraw money into the bank account. For this, tap on the transfer option. Then after, choose the bank account that you want to transfer or withdraw from and enter the details such as amount of the transaction, account number, and the account name. Once this is done, let's go to next step. For this, you have to open your PayPal account, log in into it, and link it with the bank account that you used before. Just follow the on-screen prompts in order to link the bank. Now, in the final step, what you have to do is transfer funds from the bank account to the PayPal. This can only be done once you have successfully linked both of your bank account and PayPal. After this, user can initiate transfer of funds. So this is how you can transfer money from GCash to PayPal. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.